Hey y'all, my name is Lori and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So if you watched my last video, which was a product review, you would know that I did this super sleek ponytail, and I actually did it 2 days ago, but I used Eco Styler and I had to redo it. I did it Sunday, I had to redo it Monday, and today is Tuesday and I redid it. But with this, since I use such a heavy gel, I'm going to try to preserve this. So if you didn't watch the product review on this, please click the link in my bio and I'm going to try to have it either up over there, right there. I'm going to try to have it up there. But yeah, so to start with this, this is what it's looking like right now. You know, the ponytail is kind of frizzy, but you know, that's okay. Like, I wasn't focused on curl definition this week. I'm just trying to get through the week because I'm going on vacation this weekend. So I'm trying to hold up until I do this wash and go on Thursday, so I can be looking fly. But although I did use this to do it this morning, as you can see, I got like a tiny bit, the slightest bit of flyaways. So I'm going to take the Eco Styling, you know, which is probably backwards, I don't know. And I'm going to put just a tad bit of that on my hair because I'm about to wrap it up. So this will help it lay down. Just a little bit. I'm going to just rub it on. And I'm going to just slick them flyaways back because, yeah, I'm just slipping them back. Okay, I think that's good. Is it? Yeah. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna just put a little bit of oil right here because this is the protective style, and I want this to, you know, I want my hair to benefit from using this. I'm just putting it in that part though. Just putting it in my part. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more gel because that oil made my hair stand up a little bit. And we can't have that. Okay, so now that we got that together, I'm going to take my scarf. Now this is kind of like a do-rag type of scarf. And I'm going to put it on my head, obviously. Whew. Okay. But when I do, I'm going to leave that ponytail out. Then I'm going to take it back around the front. Like so, and then take it back to the back, and I'm going to tie it up. Hope y'all can see. Okay, so as you can see, I got this slick. Now for my ponytail, I'm going to just kind of put it into like a bun, but not like twisting it. I'm gonna like wrap it around itself like so, and put this on it. You know, see, very, very simple, because I don't want my curls to get dried out or too messy. And I'm going to put a bonnet on top of that. And then boom, this is it. And I'm going to try to make this last for two more days. So I'm going to show y'all how this look in the morning. I use this to do it, and I use this to preserve it along with my scarves, and I oil my scalp the slightest bit, you know. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the morning. Okay, so it's the next morning, and the first thing I do is take off my bonnet and my scarf. And as you can see, my hair looks pretty good. And then I take my hair out that loose bun. And yeah, last night I did do that bun, like I said earlier, just to preserve my curls. And that's what it's looking like right now. So now I'm about to just use the Gorilla Snot to do my edges, I'm going to put just a tiny bit on my finger and use that to just fix up my edges. They still look pretty good, but y'all know I like my edges on fleek. I'm not going to go into specifics on how I'm doing it, but if you would like to see a more detailed video of me explaining how to do your edges, I will have my bun tutorial, my bun slash baby hair tutorial linked up above and in the description box. So the thing with this Gorilla Snot Gel, you can reactivate it with water, which is what I am doing. As you can see, my sides were kind of flying away. I had flyaways right there, and with this style, I did not want no side curlies or anything. I wanted it to be very sleek. So I just spritzed water and used my fine tooth comb to kind of comb all the hairs back in place. And as you can see right here, all I'm doing is just touching up them little baby hairs, but I'm really making sure that I keep the little sides slick back, because ain't nobody got time for that. And now I'm basically just trying to reactivate my curls in the back with some water, because as you saw earlier, it was a little frizzy. So I just put a little water on it, and then I kind of had some curls that were a little stretched out from the ponytail holder and being in that loose bun, so I was just fixing that. And now I'm just doing a few last minute touches, you know, but there you go. And I'm about to do a whole 360 so you can see. So I went back and just put on some earrings, but after that, this is the final product, how I was looking. This is technically day 2 for this bun, and for the next day after this, I just put on the hat and put the ponytail part in the bun. So it was, you know, very simple. But if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye, y'all. See you in my next one.